Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about the equation of line. That's a part 4. Already I have uploaded 3 videos earlier. The first numerical, the line passing through 0, 2, minus 3, minus 1 is parallel to the line passing through minus 1, 5 and 4, A. Find A. When the lines are parallel, I have taken AB and LM are parallel and AB is passing through 0, 2 and minus 3, minus 1 and LM is passing through minus 1, 5 and 4, A. And we need to find out A. If the lines are parallel to each other, we know that the slope of AB is equal to slope of LM. Now slope of AB, let us take this as m1 is equal to m2, and when we take the slope of AB, we know that this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Let us find out x1 y1 and x2 y2 here. This will be minus 1 minus 2 divided by minus 3 minus 0, and when we take the slope of LM, it will be a minus 5 by 4 plus, let me take it as 4 minus of minus 1. It's same formula, m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the slope formula. Now if we simplify this, we'll get minus 3 in the numerator and minus 3 in the denominator. A minus 5 divided by 4 plus 1. And minus 3 will cut off, we'll get 1 is equal to a minus 5 by 5. If we cross multiply, a minus 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, a is equal to 5 plus 5. That is, a is equal to 10. Let us go for the second one. The line passing through minus 4, minus 2 and 2, minus 3 is perpendicular to the line passing through a minus 5 and 2 minus 1. Now, in this case, I have written AB as the line which is passing through these 2 points. And then CD is the line which is passing through a, 5 and 2, minus 1. They are perpendicular to each other. The lines are perpendicular to each other. Then we know that the product of these two, slope of these two lines will be equal to minus 1. Let us find out the slope separately. Slope of AB. Slope of AB is m1, that is equal to minus 3 minus of minus 2 divided by 2 minus of minus 4. And m1 is equal to minus 3 plus 2 divided by 2 plus 4. m1 is equal to minus 1 by 6. The first slope, that is slope of AB. Let us go for the slope of CD. So m2 is equal to minus 1 minus 5 divided by 2 minus a. So m2 is equal to minus 6 divided by 2 minus a. Now we know the formula. Let us substitute in that. m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 by 6 into minus 6 divided by 2 minus a is equal to minus 1. 6 will cancel and we are getting 1 by 2 minus a is equal to minus 1. Minus into minus here is plus. If we cross multiply, we are getting minus 1 into 2 minus a is equal to 1. Minus 2 plus a is equal to 1. Therefore, a is equal to 1 plus 2, that is 3. Okay, we have come to know about the parallel and the perpendicular lines. Now, let us go for the next one. If they have given the slope for us, that is find x. If the slopes are given, we have to find out the coordinate, one of the coordinates. And we know the formula, that is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So in this question, find x if the slope of the line joining x, 2 and 8, minus 11 is minus 3 by 4. They have given m as minus 3 by 4 and we know x1 and y1 and x2 and y2. Let us substitute those values here. M is minus 3 by 4, y2 is minus 11 and y1 is 2. So minus 11 minus 2 divided by x2 is 8 minus x1 is x. And minus, if you simplify this, minus 3 by 4 is equal to minus 13 by 8 minus x. Let us cross multiply this. Minus 3 into 8 minus x is equal to minus 13 into 4. And that will be equal to minus 24 minus plus 3x is equal to minus 52. 3x is equal to minus 52 plus 24. If we take this, transpose this minus 24, it becomes plus 24. Therefore, 3x is equal to minus 28 and x is equal to minus 28 by 3. So, this is x coordinate, minus 28 by 3. Let us go for the fourth one. Find the slope and the inclination of the line RS if r is equal to 1, minus 1, 2 root 3 and s is equal to minus 2, root 3. We have to find out both the slope and the inclination. Slope is as usual. We have m is equal to m2 minus, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So, y2 is here root 3. This is root 3 y2. And y1 is 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 divided by x2 is minus 2 minus of minus 1. And we have minus root 3. This is 1 root 3. This is 1 root 3 minus 2 root 3 will be equal to minus 1 root 3 divided by minus 2 plus 1. And minus root 3 divided by minus 1. This is m for us. Therefore, m is equal to root 3. And we got the slope. This is slope. Now we need to find out inclination, that is theta. Inclination is equal to, slope is equal to tan theta. Now slope is root 3, that is equal to tan theta. We need to find out the inclination, that is theta. Therefore, theta is equal to 60 degree. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. So, theta is equal to 60 degree. The fifth one, show that the points P of A, B plus C, Q of B, minus C plus A and R of C, A plus B are collinear. Collinear means all the points, that is given points P, Q, R are on the same line, straight line. So, that then the points are collinear. How to find out that? If they are collinear, then we know that slope of PQ should be equal to slope of QR. Slope of PQ is equal to slope of QR. Okay, slope of PQ if you do, we will get, it is y2 C plus A minus y1 B plus C divided by B minus A, that is x2 minus x1 is equal to slope of QR. Slope of QR will be equal to A plus B minus of C plus A divided by C minus B. Let us simplify this. C plus A minus B minus C divided by B minus A is equal to A plus B minus C minus A divided by C minus B. So, multiplying this by minus, multiplying C plus A by minus, we are getting minus B minus C here, and in this case it is minus C minus A. Now, plus C and minus C we can cancel. A minus B divided by B minus A is equal to plus A minus A can be cancelled, B minus C by C minus B. Now, we can take out minus C as common, minus as common, and we'll get plus A minus B inside the bracket, and in this case in the numerator we can take minus as common, then plus B minus C inside the bracket. A minus B and A minus B cancels, B minus A and B minus C cancels, and we are left with minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Now, the given points, that is P, Q and R are collinear. Since LHS is equal to RHS. Let us go for the sixth one. The point k comma 3 comma 2 comma minus 4 and minus k plus 1 comma minus 2 are collinear. Find k. They have given that the points are collinear and we need to find out the value of k. So how do we do this? As usual, we will take a line in that L, M, N. L I'll take it as k comma 3, M I'll take it as 2 comma minus 4, and this is k plus 1 minus 2. Now if they are collinear, then the slopes are equal. Slope of Lm is equal to slope of Mn. So slope of Lm is equal to slope of Mn. Now next, minus 4 minus 3 divided by 2 minus k is equal to minus 2 minus of minus 4 divided by minus k plus 1 minus 2. Next, let us simplify this. This will be minus 7 divided by 2 minus k is equal to minus 2 plus 4 divided by minus k minus 1. Minus 7 divided by 2 minus k is equal to 2 by minus k minus 1. Let us cross multiply this. We'll get minus 7 into minus k minus 1 is equal to 2 into 2 minus k. This will be plus 7k plus 7 is equal to 4 minus 2k. 7k plus 2k, I'll transpose 2k to LHS. So it will become plus 4 minus 7. 7 I'll transfer to RHS. 9k is equal to minus 3. Therefore, k is equal to minus 3 by 9. And that will be equal to k is equal to minus 1 by 3. So the value of k is minus 1 by 3. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again.